We are talking about surviving the narcissist, and let's focus on moving from survivor to self-believer. I am Sue, your personal transformation coach. You have escaped. Congratulations. You really need to celebrate that. You had the courage. You were brave. You have done it. You have taken the step. And here you are outside of that narcissistic relationship. If you find yourself still within that relationship, don't panic. That day will come for you. There will come a moment where you will say, this is it. I'm standing up for myself. And when that day comes, I want you to celebrate yourself. The big reason we return to that old narcissistic relationship, the reason we stay, the reason we keep going back is because we believe that we are not good enough, that we are nothing in the world outside, that who will ever care about us? Better the devil I know. There's so many reasons we give ourselves why we stay within that relationship. But the biggest one of all is that we believe we do not have the courage. I promise you, you have it. Shaking, trembling, whatever, you have it. You can move out of that relationship and start building yourself again. Because you have been torn down, little bit by little bit, you have been changed without you even being aware of the changes that you've bought into. This is going to take a step-by-step building you up again. You were broken step by step. The way back is step by step. There is no fast, easy fix for this. It is relearning who you were before you went into this relationship and reigniting that person. So for you to start on this process, one of the first things you need to know is, what do you want? You don't want that relationship. That's why you stepped out of it. And rightfully so, because it is destructive. So now, what do you want? What is the kind of relationship that you would love to have in your future? What if there is not going to be another relationship for you now? And I would absolutely advise you to not walk out of the narcissistic relationship and straight into another one. But what do you want to see in your life now? What will bring you the peace, the calm, the love, the joy, whatever it is that you are seeking? What is that life like? What does it look like? Write it down, because we daydream and we think about what life can be. And we keep daydreaming the same things, and we never give detail to it, and we never color the picture in. It's time to write it down so that you know what you are searching for. And then, number 2, celebrate each and every day. Not only when you've done something that will say to you, I've been brave now, I've had courage now, I achieved something. Celebrate every single day. If it means that after 3, 4, 5 weeks that today you got up without tears, you celebrate that day. If it means that you can go to bed in peace, you celebrate that day. And if you really find it hard to celebrate that day, go and find something beautiful in nature. Go and lie on your lawn and just watch the lawn, smell the lawn. Go and pick a flower, smell it, look at it, how beautifully it is made, and celebrate that you've got the sight to enjoy that. Listen to beautiful music. Celebrate that you've got the hearing to hear that music. There is so much in our life that we can already celebrate. Celebrate each and every day. And then, number 3, learn to become quiet. Feel what your gut is telling you. What lights the fire in you? What makes you excited? Not when there's a little bit left for you after the narcissist has tapped you dry, what makes you excited? What will light you up? What will give you spring in your step and make you want to jump out of bed every day? Know what that is. Listen to that inner voice. It is not about the person you became during that relationship, that broken, non-believing in yourself person. It is about rediscovering the true self, because before you went into that relationship, there was fire in you, there was vision in you, there was courage and excitement and everything that you're looking for. It was there. It's about reconnecting to that, and then to go and lift it higher than it's ever been before, because you have it within your ability to do that. You will not hear me speak on this channel about this narcissist and understanding them. I actually could not care anymore. They've got their thing. I understand that when you initially break away, you want to understand why things happen to you. But at the end of the day, it is about you. It's your survival. The narcissist really does not care about you. Focus on you. Focus on what will make you stronger, what will return you to that passion, that fire that burned within you. And how can you make it even bigger and better? And how do you step into your own power? That is how you become a self-believer. You were a survivor. You are now in the process of reigniting you, believing in yourself, understanding your self-worth, loving yourself. I wish you best as you move forward, because this can be a very exciting time for you. In the process, master those limiting beliefs so that you can have an amazing future. Be kind to yourself, because that is all you really need at the moment, is kindness, compassion, understanding, and love. Give it to yourself, and we will chat soon.